The school closings for tomorrow keep pouring in. We already had a lot of schools that had 2 days last week because of the cold weather. This time it's going to be because of a mess.
And rightfully so, because already it's getting a little dicey out there.
It's already icy on many surfaces, and you heard the road commission say they're not going out until around 2 or 3 o'clock this morning. So if you are traveling tonight, if you work a third shift, or if you have somewhere you have to be tonight, just be aware, even if it's raining on your windshield, the surfaces are below freezing, so it is going to freeze on contact. Detroit's at 35, freezing in Howell, 30 in Pontiac, 33 in Monroe. But even if temperatures are above freezing in your neighborhood, don't let that give you a false sense of security. It will still freeze on contact. If you watch the top of the show, it was raining in Monroe. Now that has changed over to a mix of rain and freezing rain. In Adrian, all rain right now in Monroe. As we zoom in just a bit closer here, that I-275-75 interchange, reporting rain, but it is freezing on contact because road temperatures all over Metro Detroit, these are road temperatures, are well below freezing. We've been in a deep freeze, have not seen temperatures go above freezing since January 13th. That's the last time it hit 32 degrees. It was 37 on that Saturday. 28 degrees right now is the road temp in Macomb County, 26 downtown. So even though the air temperature in Detroit is 35, the roads are still icy and those sidewalks and other surfaces are icy. That's why we're under a winter weather advisory all the way through 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and it will be dicey for that morning commute. Right now it's 31 in Lapeer, upper 20s in Sandusky, 32 in Port Huron. Salt works very, very well when it's 30 degrees. 1 pound of salt melts 46 pounds of ice. Last week the issue was we had those freezing temperatures, so the salt wasn't working. Our concern tomorrow is that it will work. Unfortunately, it could wash away with all the freezing rain and rain. So here we are, 3 a.m. We'll have that rain-snow mix, freezing rain. The wintry mix all comes up from the south. And as we go through the morning commute, most of what will fall will be freezing rain, but we could also have a few wet snowflakes mixed in. If you live up in the Thumb, this will mostly be a snow and sleet event for you. Northern Macomb County and Oakland counties, same thing about snow and sleet, but you can't rule out that wintry mix. And it's a little complicated as we go throughout the day. So good to tune in to Local 4 News tomorrow morning, as well as throughout the day, because we'll show you where that rain-snow line is if you're traveling. 3 o'clock, we're still getting a wintry mix, but we'll start to see that changeover happen after about 4 or 5 o'clock. Could get quite a bit of ice. This is the ice forecast and ice accumulation. As far as snow goes, less by the Ohio border where they get the rain first, and then could see as much as 3.5 inches in those areas that see mostly snow and a little bit of sleet. So tomorrow, it's not really the snow that's the concern as much as it is ice. 33 degrees, freezing rain moves in around 1 or 2 a.m. Then tomorrow, freezing rain in the morning, mixing with some sleet. It's just going to be a mess tomorrow morning. And then by the afternoon, as those temperatures warm up from south to north, we'll see that changeover happen. But it'll take that changeover quite a while. Rain for Wednesday, Thursday rain, but look at those temperatures in the low 40s, and the weekend looks nice and dry. But it is going to be a very busy morning tomorrow morning. Ashley will be in the morning to give you the latest on that rain-snow line.
Okay, thanks, Kim.